So earlier this year, NVIDIA released the RTX Voice Beta app, and this app was really targeted towards streamers to help them remove the background noise that their microphone would pick up. And I'm sure you saw like the viral videos of someone having like a vacuum going on in the background. You could still hear them clearly. Now, while I thought this was really cool technology, I thought it would really benefit like content creators like YouTubers and stuff, because people who are using video editing software don't always have the best noise removal options. So I'm sure you know, if you've tried to like improve your YouTube setup or just any content creation setup, like you're probably gonna buy like a shotgun microphone or a condenser microphone, and it sounds amazing picking up all the details of your voice, but then all of a sudden you notice that it's picking up, basically any sound that's going on in the background. Like for me personally, I noticed that since I live in Southeast Asia, we always have to have the AC on, and no matter how quiet your unit is, the microphone is always gonna pick it up. But thankfully, there's finally a solution for this. So a developer named Xaymar, which I hope I pronounced correctly, has created VoiceFX, and VoiceFX basically turns this NVIDIA noise removal tool into a VST, and a VST can basically be used with any audio editing software. So in order to use this, you first need to install the Audio Effects SDK from NVIDIA. I'll link to it in the description. And then you also need to install the VoiceFX tool, which I'll also link to. And you need to really take note where this installs to, because this will be important later when you're trying to import the VST into certain software. For example, if you're using Premiere, it doesn't just pop up immediately. You actually need to search for it and set up the VST, and then you go to your Audio Effects tab, and then you can apply it as an audio plugin. So I thought of trying this with a couple different scenarios that I commonly encounter. So one, with this current YouTube setup with the AC running, because I usually have it off. And the other one is when I'm walking around vlogging just with a regular shotgun mic. So let's take a look at the results. All right, this is me just talking, doing a presentation. We have the AC going on above me, so let's see what the NVIDIA Broadcast app can do. All right, this is me just talking, doing a presentation. We have the AC going on above me, so let's see what the NVIDIA Broadcast app can do. Since Ira is actually ReStudio, if you haven't followed her on Instagram or Facebook, ReStudio. Since Ira is actually ReStudio, if you haven't followed her on Instagram or Facebook, ReStudio. So as you can hear, the results may vary, and it still has that very much background removal sound that sounds a bit weird at times. What I think will help going forward is having a way to adjust the level of noise removal, and it looks like this is coming soon as a paid feature. But I hope this helps you with some tough audio situations. Let me know if you like short videos and tips like these, and catch you on the next one.